Let's make a dino slide. Morphle, morph into an Argentinosaurus. Wow! This is the best slide ever!
A dinosaur in the city?
Woohoo! Woohoo!
There is no place for a dinosaur in my city.
What? Why not?
Well, dinosaurs scare a lot of, other people in the city. Not me.
Oh, no!
See?
I think someone's in trouble.
Mila, Morphle, I can't get down anymore.
I know a dinosaur that can help with that.
Well...
Argentinosaurus!
Thank you. Dinosaurs are really handy. Mila and Morphle, I'm late for work. Can you help me get there quick?
You know what's really fast?
Let me guess. A dinosaur.
Yeah, morph into a gallimimus.
Whoa! You're a really fast dinosaur. Thank you, Morphle.
Dinosaur fun!
Well,
Hey, Mila and Morphle, can you help me at the farm?
well... It seems there is a place in the city for a dinosaur.
Yeah!
My chain! Help!
We need to get it back.
I have an idea. And I need a dinosaur.
Did you see his face?
Yeah, they are really scared of us dying.
T-Rex?
There's even a place for a dinosaur scaring people in my city. As long as it's the Bandits.